In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Jira account. Before we start, keep in mind that deleting your Jira account is a permanent action. This usually affects your entire Atlassian account, which may also be used for other products like Confluence or Trello. Once deleted, you may lose access to these services and any associated data, so make sure this is really what you want to do. If you just need a break, consider logging out or talking to your site admin first. To begin, log into Jira in your web browser. Once you're on any Jira page, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might show your initials or a small profile picture, depending on how your account is set up. Click on that profile icon to open a small drop-down menu. In this menu, look for the option labeled Account Settings. This link will take you out of the individual Jira project view and into the central Atlassian account management area. Go ahead and click Account Settings. If prompted, you might be asked to sign in again for security reasons, so just enter your login details if needed. You'll now be on your main account management page. On the left-hand side or in the main area, look for a section called Account Preferences. This is where you can control things like language, email options, and importantly for this video, account deletion. Click on Account Preferences to open that page. On the Account Preferences page, scroll until you find the option that says Delete Account. This is the section that allows you to permanently remove your account. When you click Delete Account, Jira will usually display a warning message explaining what will happen if you continue. Read this information carefully. It may remind you that you'll lose access to multiple Atlassian products and that some content you created, like comments or tickets, might remain in a limited form for record keeping. Follow the on-screen prompts step by step. You may be asked to confirm your email, re-enter your password, or type a confirmation phrase to ensure this is intentional. Once you confirm, your deletion request will be submitted. In some cases, the deletion may not be instant and could take a short period to fully process. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of deleting your Jira account safely and correctly.